Right about now, beautiful babes, excitement is in the air. Thank you so much for stopping by, Sugar Fingers, your girl, Sweet Angel. And yes, we are hanging out today because I have a Fenty Beauty haul. Yes, and I'm ready to get started right now. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's do this. Now first, let me start off with my free gift that I got with my order. And this is just as simple as this. It's a face mask. Yes, it is the MUSE mask. It is definitely something that I know I need. However, I had no idea that it would be coming in my shipment, so I'm super glad about that. I believe that name is Chamois Shoosh. I'm not sure. Chamois Shoosh. I'm not sure, y'all. Don't know. Chamois Ocean. Maybe that's it. I don't know. But again, this is the MUSE Fashion Mask that was included with my order. And let's carry on. The next item is Fenty Beauty Travel Mirror. And I needed this. Absolutely, definitely cute. Nice pink, muted pink kind of shade travel mirror. It has a pouch to it as well, and just check it out. I really like this mirror. I have it on my vanity right now because it's cute, and it's not a magnifying mirror, but it's great when you're doing your makeup and you really want to get in close and see yourself and just see how it really looks to the eye. That's really important. I think if you really want to make sure your stuff is on point, so that makes a big difference here. But it is nice and sleek, and again, when you travel, the one thing you need is a close-up mirror because hotel lighting is all crazy, and you really need to be able to see what you got going on and how you got it going on. You know what I'm saying? So this one is definitely cute, and I love the little handle on the back side there. That makes it even better for me to visually see what I got going on, and it is definitely something that I could use for sure. And I love the design of it as well. All of these items links will be down below in the description box, so please check those out. And this one is again something that I definitely needed, so I went ahead and got this one. And yes, I spent $300, y'all, $300 on Fenty Beauty products, and I'm just super excited about every single piece of it. So the next item we're going to talk about here is like one of their little travel kits here. Now, I'm not going to open up everything. I'm going to just check this out in the box, and I know I'll be doing an upcoming video with my makeup, so that's why I'm kind of holding off on opening up everything just to save some time. But that is the Diamond Baby Mini Face and Lip Set there. And the next item, this is so cute. If you will look at that lippy inside of there, too cute. This is the Little Fly Stunner Mini Eye and Lip Set, and it includes a eyeliner and also a lip paint. So nice, definitely gorgeous. Now this next item I was really ready to check out, and I can't wait to open it up. This is one of their full snap eyeshadow palettes and a mini mascara set. And yes, I'm super excited about this. So this is one of the ones that I do want to tear into. Now the mascara is in black. I believe the name of this one is Cause I'm Black. And then this little bitty full snap eyeshadow. This is too cute. Let's see if I can open it up here and let you see the beautiful shades that are in there. Now, isn't that so pretty? I am truly ready to go ahead and do an eyeshadow look with that, and let y'all check it out in an upcoming video. So get ready for that. And listen, these colors are awesome. They're awesome, and honey, I love that. Definitely pretty. And yes, most of the items that I picked up are mini size. Now this is what you have right here. This is the Baby What It Do travel size makeup refreshing spray. So cute, so cute, and I am super excited about it to check it out and see how it works. What it do is what it's called, and I like the name. I like the name. That sounds like what I say all the time. What it do, okay? But this is a setting spray. And then we have this cute little duo set here. Let me check out and tell you exactly what you have here. This is the Baby Mini Eye Primer and Liner set. So you get 2 in 1 on most of these little items that I got for the travel sets, which I thought definitely do have sufficient amount of product in them for me to use, because I don't go through makeup that often. Okay, so I think they're all worth it. Next up, this is something that I definitely wanted to try. This is their hydrating primer. Now this primer is the Pro Filter Mini Hydrating Primer. It is the soft silk one, and I'm super excited about trying it out. Heard so many great things about Fenty Beauty's primers. Like, they are just everything. So everybody always rant and rave about them. So now I get to check it out myself real soon. Real soon. You know what I'm saying? All right. Now this is a full size item here that we're getting ready to check out. Y'all, I can't wait. I can't wait to tear into this one and actually use this, because I've been dreaming about these things for a while. I don't know why I have not picked up any Fenty Beauty products, but this is their Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer, and I got it in Private Island. And the packaging, y'all, that's what I'm talking about. The packaging is everything. I mean, this is just, I had to take it and look at it closer and say, is this real? Is this real? Yes, but this is a full size, of course, but it is nice. It's so nice. You know, it make you want to do some makeup. For real, for real. Okay. And next up, now this is something that I may not do in my makeup video, but I'm going to do a separate video on the Pro Kisser lip care set. You know, it's got the lip scrubber and so forth with it, so I'll do that separately. And next up, another full-size item. I know you're excited about that. I know I am. This is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. Bam! There you go. This is, it has one side that is Mean Money, and then the highlighter is Hustler, baby. Yes, come on. Come on with it. Yes, indeed. Love, love, love. And yeah, I've heard so much about these products. I feel like I already know them. But anyway, I got to formally introduce them to my face. Now, next up, we have the Holidays lippy set here. This is Glossy Posse Holidays Edition Mini Gloss Bomb Collection. Has 4 different lip glosses in it. Super excited about trying those out. I've had a gloss before, but I no longer have it because little Sticky Fingers, they call her Maddie. She was named Maddie, but I call her Sticky Fingers. She got that now a long time ago. I really didn't use it that often. Again, I don't really use makeup a whole lot now since we haven't been getting out, so it ran away. But anywho, I have 3 concealers here. I got number 260, 310, and 330. Now the 330, I think I'm going to give that one to Maddie, but these are the Pro Filter, I gotta get this name right, Instant Retouch Concealers, again in number 260, 310, and 330. Okay, and next up, we do have a powder, and you know, I don't use powders that often, but I wanted to try this one out. It's the Pro Filter Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I got mine in Banana. Yes, and this packaging is to die for. I tell you what, it's so pretty. I mean, it looks like you're just gonna have a luxurious looking vanity and just walk in, everything's so feminine and dainty. Yeah, I'm just saying that's what it appears to me. She did that. Now Rihanna did this when it came to this makeup. You know, she's got a great touch and a sense for the makeup. Now don't play me cheap. I spent my birthday money well, honey, and I made sure I got everything I wanted. I also got the brush. Yes, indeed. This is the Fenty Beauty Precision Concealer Brush, number 180. Absolutely. Yes, it's so cute. So shall I say it again that I'm super excited to get my hands on these products. I spent my birthday money on this, and I want to thank Mike D for showing me some love in that cashola department so I can splurge a little bit on some things that I really had my eye on. And honey, I'm just laying it all out so you can see the girl went hard and heavy. So for the most part, I have everything I need to do a full face. Of course, you know I don't wear foundation like that anymore, so I didn't get the foundation, but I do have the concealers, which I can work with as far as just covering up whatever little imperfections that I have to get a smooth looking canvas to get a good looking makeup look for you. So stay tuned for that. All of these products are going to be featured in that upcoming video. And listen, I'm excited about it. The only thing I'm missing is a brow product, and I think I'm going to get a darker concealer. But that's it. These are all of the items, and I'm so glad I got an opportunity to let you see what I got. And next up, we are going to put these things on the face. So stay tuned for that, beautiful babes. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out right now on Sugar Fingers, but I will see you real soon right here. So make sure you know when I show back up. So subscribe, hit the bell, and please make sure, if you have not already, tell somebody where you're hanging out at, and do one for yourself. Keep that hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. Take care. I'll see you real soon. Bye.